So let us see this problem. Given here, if a is equal to 2x square I minus 3yzj plus x square zk, and phi is equal to this much he has given. That means one scalar vector and one scalar function and vector function they have given, and he is asking us to compute a dot del phi and a cross del phi. Okay, so let us see. So given vector A is equal to 2x square I minus 3yz j plus xz square k. Okay. Similarly, phi they have given it as 2z minus x cube y. Okay. Now we need to compute a dot del phi. So del phi, you know how to calculate it. Del phi is equal to, so how much? Dou phi by dou x I plus dou phi by dou y j plus dou phi by dou z k. So this one equal to differentiation of phi with respect to x. So how much you'll get? Is Abdul? Differentiate this function with respect to x.
Minus 3x square y.
Minus 3x square y. Okay. So into I.
Okay.
Plus with respect to y.
Minus x cube.
Minus x cube will get j. Next plus.
Plus 2k.
So I'll get 2k. So this is the value of del phi. Okay. Now we are going to find a dot del phi. Vector a dot del phi is equal to vector a, I'll write 2x square I minus 3yzj plus xz square k dot, I'll write this vector. So that means minus 3x square yi minus x cube j, next to plus 2k. So this one is equal to, Ajay Deepak, can you tell the dot product between these two?
Minus 6.
Minus 6.
Plus 3.
Huh?
Minus 6. Minus 6 x to the power 4 y.
X power 4 y, yes.
Then plus 3 x cube yz.
Yz, yes.
And 2x z square.
Xz square. Yes. So in this way we'll get vector a dot del phi. Clear? Next we are going to find a cross del phi. So del phi value you have calculated, a value you calculated. So you need to find a cross del phi. Yes, Aman, can you tell how to write a cross del phi? Aman K. Yes. Okay. Anish, you?
Sir, hello.
Yes.
2x square
2x square, yes.
minus 3yz
3yz
x z square.
Yes, xz square. Next,
Minus 3x square y.
minus 3x square y
Minus x cube.
minus
2.
x cube.
2.
Here 2. Yes. So this one is equal to I into. So just find the determinant for this. Okay. So I'll get for the first term I into minus 6yz plus x power 4 z square minus j into 4x square next plus 3x cube yz square plus k into minus 2x power 5
minus
plus
square y square
yes, minus will get minus 9 x square
square
y square z. Okay, so this one is equal to, you need to calculate this value at this point. Okay, so here he has given a cross del phi at this point 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. Okay, here also we need to find at the given point. So let us see. Just substitute x equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, z is equal to 1. Okay. So I into how much you'll get? Y is minus 1. So you'll get minus of minus plus, z value is 1. So you'll get 6 here plus 1 minus j into here 4 plus minus 3. Sorry. Because y value is single. So that means minus 3 plus k into x value is 1. Okay, so I'll get minus 2 here. So again minus 9 here. So overall the result is 7i minus j minus 11k. Okay, this is the value of a cross del phi. Similarly, a dot del phi at 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 is equal to, just substitute here also. So I'll get 6 plus, sorry, minus will get minus 3 plus 2. So minus 3 plus 2, so total 8, 8 minus 3, so I'll get 5. Okay, a dot del phi value is 5 and a cross del phi value is 7i minus j minus 11k. Is it right? Fine, right?
Yes, sir.
You go for next one. Okay. Next we'll try this. He's asking find the divergence of f and curl of f, where f is defined as del of this function. Okay, so let us see what is it. So given f is equal to del of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay, so implies f is equal to, what do you mean by del? That means it
Del
is a
phi.
vector quantity, right? So that means dou by dou x, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz dot, sorry, I plus differentiate this one with respect to y, same function, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Next j, here j plus dou by dou z, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay. So this one is equal to Drisha, can you differentiate this and tell the answer with respect to x, y, and z?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
3x square minus 3i
3x square minus 3
I
no 3 yz na
3yz
into
I
I, yes,
plus 3y square minus 3xz
yes, 3xz
plus 3z square minus 3 yz yx
or xy.
yeah k.
This is k. Yes, it's good now. So this is the value of f. Now we need to find divergence f and curl f for this. Okay, so take this as equation 1, so that this function we have to use it as f now. Okay, so divergence f is equal to del dot f vector. Okay, so I will give a shortcut for finding del phi. Okay, del f. So usually we will be doing right dou by dou xi plus dou by dou zj dou ij plus dou by dou zk dot. No need to write every time like that. Simply you can write, suppose if f is a function like this, f1i plus f2j plus f3k, divergence f can be written directly as dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. Okay, so where I have taken I quotient as f1, j quotient as f2, k quotient as f3. Okay, differentiate f1 with respect to x plus f2 with respect to y plus f3 with respect to z. So that is enough. No need to write every time dou by dou xi and dou by dou yj, dou by dou zk dot f. So it will give lengthy problem. So finally you can write dou by dou x of first function. That means 3x square minus 3yz. I won't come in between because we are doing a dot product, right? You can directly write like this, plus dou by dou y of 3y square minus 3xz plus dou by dou z of 3z square minus 3xy. Okay, so this one is equal to this. How much you get? It's Gautam Krishna. Can you tell?
Yes, sir. 6x.
6x
6x plus 6y
plus 6y
plus 6z.
6z. So this is the value of divergence of f, where f is a vector quantity. Clear? Is it fine? Any doubt here in using divergence f? I quotient differentiate with respect to x, J quotient differentiate with respect to y, and K quotient differentiate with respect to z. That's it. Yeah. So next we will find curl F. Curl F is equal to, Sukasat is there?
Hello, yes sir, yes sir.
So how to write curl F in terms of symbolical? Curl F.
Sorry sir, what?
Curl
Can't
F.
hear.
Curl F.
Curl F.
How to write curl F in terms of symbolical form? Like divergence F, I have written del dot F, right?
Yes sir.
Curl F can be written as
Not sure. Del into F.
del
Del
cross
cross
F.
F.
Yes, yes. Okay, good. So this one is equal to I, J, K. Yes, here first term should be written as dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. So last row should be filled with f functions. So that means I quotient is 3x square minus 3yz. Next, 3y square minus 3xz. Next, 3z square minus 3xy. So this one is equal to I into, yes, dou by dou x of, dou y of 3z square minus 3xy minus dou by dou z of 3y square minus 3xz, okay, minus j into dou by dou x of 3z square minus 3xy minus dou by dou y of, dou z of 3x square minus 3yz plus k into dou by dou x of 3y square minus 3xz minus dou by dou y of 3x square minus 3yz. Okay, so this one is equal to, Atmika, can you tell? If you have a mic problem, you can text a message. It's Chinmaya, can you tell?
Minus 3x
Minus 3x
plus 3z plus 3z
3z. We are differentiating with respect to z.
3x
3x, right? Yes. Minus j into
minus j into minus 3x
minus 3x.
3.
Next,
1 minute, sir. 3y, 3x,
Hmm.
3y, sir.
Where your first one? Okay.
Uh, uh,
3y
plus 3y,
plus 3y. Yes.
plus k into
Yes.
minus 3y,
Minus 3y.
plus 3z,
3y.
3z.
First one.
Uh,
3z, no? Minus 3z.
yes,
Minus
yes,
3z.
sir.
Plus
Plus
3z.
3z.
Yes. So everything will go. 0 will get. That means curl f. You get it as 0. Fine. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
Go for next one. So here f is equal to, he has given it as like this. We need to find gradient of divergence. Okay. So let us see. Given f vector is equal to 3x square y minus z to I plus xz cube plus y power 4 j minus 2x cube z square k. Okay. Now we need to find the gradient of divergence. Gradient of divergence f. Yes. Fauzia, can you tell how to write it in symbolical form?
Yes, yes. Uh, dou x of
No,
I,
no, no. I want only symbolical form. No need to expand it.
del dot f.
Del gradient of
Dot
divergence. Gradient and of divergence.
I don't know, sir.
Huh? Gradient means del of, right?
Yes, sir.
Gradient means del of. Divergence means del dot f, no?
Yes, sir.
Clear, everyone? So try to know how to convert this word form into symbolical form. Grad means del of something will be there. Okay. So in that something he has given it as divergence f. Divergence is nothing but del dot f. Correct? Is it fine? Anyone has doubt? How to write this? So given function I am splitting it as f1, I quotient as f1, j quotient as f2, k quotient as f3. Okay. First find del dot f. So this is nothing but according to the previous problem I have written this one as dou f1 by dou x, dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. So this is nothing but dou by dou x of 3x square y minus z plus dou by dou y of xz cube plus y power 4 plus dou by dou z of minus 2 x cube z square. Okay, so this one is equal to Keaton. Can you just tell?
Yes, sir. 3xy
3xy
plus
3xy,
sorry 6xy
yes, 6xy
4y3 y cube, sorry,
4y cube
minus
minus
4x cube z
x cube
z.
Okay, correct. So this is del dot f. Okay, but we want del of del dot f. So since del dot f is a scalar vector, a scalar quantity, you can apply gradient for it. So implies apply gradient. Okay, so del of del dot f is equal to del of 6xy plus 4y cube minus 4x cube z. Okay, so this one is equal to Manjusha, can you just expand it? Just expand. I don't want the answer. Manjusha?
xy into del.
Yes?
Del.
Your voice is not audible.
6xy into del.
6xy into dou.
Del. Sir.
No. You need to differentiate this one with respect to x now first.
Y.
Huh?
xy into
No,
del.
just tell expansion, that's it. That means dou by dou x of 6xy plus 4y cube minus 4x cube z into I. Like this I want it. Plus
Y
mm,
into 6xy plus
mm,
y cube minus 4x cube z.
4x cube z
J
j.
into plus by dou z of
Yes.
xy
Mm,
y cube minus 4x cube into q.
yes. Can you differentiate?
Y
6y, yes,
minus 12z
minus
12z
12z, 12z or 12x square z.
12x
Correct, na? X cube is 3x square. Yes.
y
I next plus
plus 6x
6x
plus 12y square
minus 12 plus okay. Plus 12y square, yes,
into j
yes, plus
plus 4x cube minus 4x
so I'll get minus 4x cube
into q.
into k. Yes, good. So del of del dot f is equal to, at this point you need to find. Okay, so at 2 comma minus 1 comma 0. So take x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1, z is equal to 0. So you'll get minus 6I minus 0 you'll get plus x value 2. So 2 into this you'll get 12. Minus 1 square you'll get plus 1 plus 12 you'll get j plus minus 4 into 2 cube. Okay. So this one is equal to how much you'll get? Minus 6I plus 24j. Next to minus 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 8 4 ja. 32, here 24j. Minus 32k. Is it fine? Any doubts? So this is the value of gradient of divergence. Okay, we'll move to the next one.
Yes, sir.
Can you try this? Can you take this as homework? So I'll share this slide in the classroom. Okay, you try to solve this. So I'm going to this problem. So here he has given, if capital A is a constant vector, then prove the following. Okay, so that means R is a variable vector. Okay, so I'm taking this A vector as given vector A is equal to A1I plus A2J plus A3K. Okay, where A1 comma A2 comma A3 belongs to some real numbers. Okay. Next, similarly, I am defining R vector, where R vector is a variable vector. So that I am defining it as xi plus yj plus zk. That means function of x, x, y, z are the variables. Okay. So if you are defining these two like this, then we need to prove gradient of A dot R should be equal to A value. So let us try to prove first one. Gradient of A dot R. So this one is equal to, gradient means, yes, Aisha Mufas, can you tell how to write this in symbolical way? Gradient of A dot R. Aisha Mufas. Is Darshan?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell how to write this in symbolical way?
x of
Huh?
dou by
No, just I want symbolical way. How to write it in grade in symbol?
del into
Del of. Okay. Del of.
a vector into a dot r.
Yes. So in this way you have to represent. Okay. So this one is equal to. So first write a dot r. Then we'll later think of it. So a dot r means I quotient into I quotient, j quotient into j quotient, k quotient to k quotient. So if you do that, you'll get a1x plus a2y plus a3z. Okay. So this one is equal to, this is a dot r value. Okay. So Harsh, can you tell how to do this?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
So dou by dou x of a1x plus
a1x
a plus a2y
uh,
plus a3z
a3z, yes,
plus dou by
I
dou I of
uh,
into I plus dou by dou I of a1x plus a2y plus a3z
a3z, yes. Next j.
into j
Mm.
plus dou by dou z of
Mm.
a1x plus a2y plus a3z
a1x plus a2y plus
plus a3z.
a3z. Okay. So I'll get a1i plus differentiate with respect to I, you'll get a2j plus differentiate with respect to z, you'll get a3k. So this is nothing but your a vector, right? We have defined already. So this is your a vector. So implies gradient of a dot r. You got it as a vector. So we have proved it. So I'll go for second one. Second one is nothing but divergence of a cross r. For that we need to find first a cross r. So a cross r is equal to I, j, k. So here a1, a2, a3. Next here x, y, z. So this one is equal to just I into a2z minus a3y minus j into a2z, sorry, a1z minus a3x plus k into a1y minus a2x. So a cross r is this much. Implies we need to find divergence of a cross r is equal to, yes. Satyam Singh, can you tell how to write this?
Yes, sir.
Ah, divergence of a cross r. How to write it in symbol way?
Delta
Ah, del
into a cross a vector cross r.
del divergence.
Sir, summation of I
No,
summation of
You
f1.
have to write it in symbolical way. That's why you should know how to write it. That's why I'm asking. Divergence means Suppose if I write divergence of f, how to write divergence of f?
So differentiating each term.
No, that is okay. I want the symbol way. How to represent divergence? Del dot na.
Yes, sir. Del dot.
So that one you have to tell me. Del dot. Here in the place of f, this one is there. A cross R. Okay. That's it. Okay, because in exams directly they will ask in word form, not in symbol form. Okay, you have to know how to write that in symbolical form. Okay, so now this one is equal to, you can differentiate it, right? Take this as f1, take this as f2, take this as f3. So differentiate f1, f2, f3 with respect to x, y, and z. Okay, so that means dou by dou x of I quotient should be differentiated with respect to x. So a2z minus a3y. Next minus plus dou by dou y of, so minus you have to multiply inside and write j quotient in this. So you'll get a3x minus a1z plus dou by dou z of a1y minus a2x. So how much you'll get?
0 plus 0 plus 0.
So I'll get 0. So divergence of A cross R value is 0. Okay. Similarly, we need to find curl. So curl of A cross R you have to find. Okay, here only you can find. Curl of A cross R is equal to, you have to write I, J, K, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Here I, J, K quotients you have to write. A2z minus A3y. Here, just try to find this one. I'll write it in distance way. So I, J, K, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Here A2z minus A3y. Here A3x minus A1z. Next here A1y minus A2x. Find the determinant for this. Okay.